Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing a very special recipe, and that is my mom's special Machha Besara or fish cooked in mustard gravy. This is also called as Shorshe Maach in Bengal, and this tastes so delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, in a blender jar, take 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 5 to 6 dried red chillies. You can adjust the quantity of red chillies if you don't like spice. Then to that add half an onion, 1 inch of ginger and 2 tablespoons of water. Blend into a paste, keep it aside. Now in a kadai or pan, heat mustard oil. After it's completely hot, add fish pieces. I had marinated the fish pieces with salt and turmeric powder. Here I have taken 1200 grams of Rohu fish. You can take any fish you want. Fry the fish on one side for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip and fry from the other side till golden brown. You can also take less oil if you want and shallow fry the fish. Our fish is perfectly cooked now. Take them out and keep aside. Fry all the fish pieces like so, and then in the same oil add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half an onion thin sliced and 2 slit green chilies. Saute till everything turn golden brown. Then add some parboiled potato pieces. You can skip the potatoes if you want. Roast for a minute and then add 1 chopped tomato. Saute for a minute. After the tomato turns soft, add the mustard paste. Mix and cook the mustard paste for just 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 glasses of water and give it a mix. Now add salt as per taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and let it come to a boil. After it comes to a roaring boil like so, add the fried fish pieces. And then add 2 dried mango pieces or Ambula. Gently mix everything and let everything come together for a minute or 2. Finally add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and mix. Turn off the heat and serve hot with steamed rice. This tastes super amazing. The fish is perfectly cooked and the mustard gravy goes amazingly well with it. The gravy is super creamy and delicious. This is a quick and easy recipe, and also we have not used any kind of dry spices here. So this tastes so delicious. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.